Good morning, students. Last time we had finished up to lesson 9. We were to start lesson 9 comparisons from your textbook. So let us start it today. Comparisons, comparatives means what? They are the form of adjectives, right? Adjectives आपको पता है हम कहाँ use करते हैं? Adjectives are used to describe nouns, right? तो adjectives के अलग अलग forms होते हैं which are used for comparison. There are different degrees of comparison. The first degree is positive, जिसमें generally कोई comparison नहीं होता है. It's a normal assertive sentence. Second is comparative degree, जिसमें दो चीज़ों के बीच में, दो nouns के बीच में comparison होता है. And number 3 is between one noun and more than one, या फिर सारा पूरा वर्ल्ड में जो भी है मोर देन या ऑल नाउन्स, जो पूरे उस कैटेगरी के नाउन्स है पूरे वर्ल्ड में, उसके बीच में कंपैरिजन होता है, राइट? सो दैट इज कॉल्ड अ सुपरलेटिव डिग्री. व्हाट इज इट कॉल्ड? सो दैट वी विल स्टडी इन दिस लेसन. सो लेट अस स्टडी नाउ. Comparatives. Look at these two examples. Renu is taller than her sister. Punit is more intelligent than Kapil. अब यहाँ पे रेनू एंड हर सिस्टर के बीच में कंपैरिजन हुआ है. So taller than is used. It is a comparative degree. Puneet is more intelligent than Kapil. पुनीत और कपिल के बीच में comparison हो रहा है. Taller, more intelligent are comparative forms. Formation of comparative forms. Comparatives are formed by adding er or more with short words. We use er. With comparatively long words, we use more. In these, in case of some words, we have to remember the comparative forms. Big, bigger, good, better. Good, better, best होता है. Superlative form उसका best है. Much, many, more. Comfortable, more comfortable. Bad, worse, worst, right? Far, farther. Okay, we use comparatives to compare two things. अंडरलाइन दिस. कंपैरेटिव्स इसलिए यूज़ होते हैं बिकॉज दो नाउन्स के बीच में कंपैरिजन होता है. वी मे मेंशन बोथ द थिंग्स और वी मे मेंशन वन एंड द अदर मे बी अंडरस्टूड, राइट? एक को मेंशन किया जाता है, दूसरे को इट इज़ अंडरस्टूड कि किसके बीच में कंपैरिजन हो रही है, तो उसमें कंपैरेटिव डिग्री हम यूज़ करते हैं. आफ्टर कंपैरेटिव्स वी यूज़ दैन. जनरली दैन यूज़ होता है उसके साथ में, बिना दैन के कंपैरेटिव डिग्री यूज़ नहीं हो सकती है. कुड यू वॉक अ बिट फास्टर? कुड यू स्पीक अ बिट लाउडर? यू कैन वॉक फास्टर दैन मी. Can you can speak more loudly than I can, right? Okay, now let us solve the first exercise. Exercise 1. Complete these sentences using a comparative form. This is for oral practice, but we'll solve it in the workbook itself. This essay isn't very good. I am sure you can write a better one. Good का आएगा better. Comparative degree good का form क्या होता है? Better, जो हमने यहाँ पे study किया, right? Good, better, best. Superlative form उसका best होगा. अब अभी हम लोग comparative कर रहे हैं. The child is sitting too close to the television set. Ask him to move a bit dash away, right? Sitting too close. So too close का हम क्या यूज़ करेंगे? Close की जगह पे हमें far यूज़ करना है. A bit closer. 1 minute. Ask him to move a bit the child is sitting too close to the television set, a bit far away. Then I can't understand these books. Give me something. What you can say? Can't understand. उसका आप लोग easier बोल सकते हो, right? These rooms are rather small. I expected them to be larger. You are rather young for this role. You need someone older, राइट? इधर जब आप इसके बारे में बात कर रहे हैं तो ओल्डर यूज़ करते हैं. अगर आप एज में बड़ा या छोटा यूज़ बोल रहे हैं तो आप उसमें एल्डर यूज़ करेंगे. आई कांट अफोर्ड दिस ड्रेस, कैन यू शो मी समथिंग चीपर. अफोर्ड का बात है मतलब प्राइस के लिए वो ज़्यादा है तो आप चीप बोलोगे, राइट. वी आर लेट फॉर द शो, वी शुड हैव कम अर्लियर. लेट का early. Okay, now exercise 2, read these sentences, then complete the sentences using a comparative form. Example, Yajan came at 6 o'clock, Rachit came at 6:30. Rachit came later than Yajan, right? So इस तरह से आपको फॉर्म करना है. ऑरेंजेस आर ₹48 a dozen. Bananas are ₹36 a dozen. Oranges are costlier than bananas because oranges का रेट ज़्यादा है बनानाज से. costlier than bananas. अगर यहाँ पे bananas लिखा होता तो आप क्या बोलते, आप उसका उल्टा बोलते, bananas are cheaper than oranges, right? So this is the way you have to understand how you can use the comparative degree. Arjun is 165 centimeter tall. Jay is 170 centimeter tall. Arjun is shorter because 165 is less, right? Shorter than Jay. A train takes 3 hours to reach Agra. A bus takes 5 hours to reach Agra. A bus takes more time than a train. या फिर आप मोर टाइम की जगह पे आप लॉन्गर यूज़ कर सकते हो. अ बस टेक्स लॉन्गर देन अ ट्रेन, राइट. गरिमा's house is 5 kilometers away from the school. Sumit's house is 2 kilometers away from the school. Sumit lives, ये 5 किलोमीटर्स है और वो 2 किलोमीटर्स है. सुमित नज़दीक रहता है, राइट. सो व्हाट यू विल से, सुमित लीव्स nearer to the school, right? Then Javed got A1 in English, Ravina got A2 in English. Javed got better marks than Ravina, right? Better grades आप बोल सकते हो because we are talking about the grades than Ravina. Then the mason is paid ₹400 per day. The laborer is paid ₹200 per day. The laborer is paid lesser, उसको कम मिल रहा है because, right, mason से, lesser than the mason. Okay, sorry, it is MASON. Fine. We can use these words before comparisons. Much, a lot, a bit, a little, slightly. Slightly is as good as a little, right? It is much cheaper to travel by train than by air. Staying at a 5-star hotel is a lot more expensive than staying at a resort. I'm tired. Can you walk a little or a bit or slightly more slowly, right? Exercise 3. Look at these pictures, then complete the sentences given below with a comparative form. We use then where necessary. Try to use different phrases from among those given above. यहाँ से दूसरे phrases आपको इसमें utilize करने हैं. The second dress is dash than the first one. अब इधर देखो price tags लगाए हुए, ये 620 का है, ये 625 का है, तो ये naturally इससे costly हुआ. ठीक है, तो आप क्या बताओगे, द सेकेंड ड्रेस इज कॉस्टलियर देन द फर्स्ट वन. अनु इज डैश अपूर्व. ये अपूर्व है और ये अनु है. अनु क्या है, लंबी है अपूर्व से. सो व्हाट यू विल राइट, अनु इज टॉलर देन अपूर्व. ऑफ द 2 गर्ल्स मधु इज रीडिंग. ये क्या कर रही है, Madhu is reading what you will write, reading a book, or then the other girl's name you can write it as Anu. Madhu is reading कौन सा फ्रेज आप इसमें यूज कर सकते हो? स्लाइटली, अ लिटल, अ लॉट, मच, अ बिट. आप ऐसा यूज कर सकते हो, मधु इज रीडिंग फास्टर देन, या फिर अ बिट फास्टर. यहाँ पे भी आप वो फ्रेजेस यूज कर सकते हो. अ लिटिल टॉलर दैन, अ लिटिल टॉलर देन अपूर्व, अ बिट फास्टर देन रिया. रिया लिख दो इधर, राइट. देन here they are showing children are running. Sudhir is the first one, then the other children are coming, right? Other boys are coming. School A has shown a dash school B. School A का ये picture है and notices 90% result, and here this is school B, notices result is 87%. okay, तो school A has shown a better result या good result than school B. right now running का हो रहा है. Sudhir is running dash the other children. Sudhir is running a bit faster, right, a bit faster than the other children. थोड़ा सा ही आगे है वो, इसलिए आप a bit यूज कर सकते हो. okay, now moving on to exercise 4. look at this table showing details about two classmates Preeti and Nidhi, right. अब इसका आपको कंपैरेटिव ये दिया है. हाइट उसकी प्रीति की 150 सेंटीमीटर्स है, इसकी 152 है निधि की. वेट इज़ 34 kgs एंड इसका वेट है 34.5 kgs. तो उसके हिसाब से आपको ये कंपैरेटिव्स यहाँ फिल करने हैं. नाउ फिल इन द ब्लैंक्स विथ सूटेबल कंपैरेटिव फॉर्म्स. एड words like a little, a bit, slightly, wherever possible, right. Preeti and Nidhi are classmates. Nidhi is young dash than Preeti, right. younger, तो young का आप क्या करोगे? younger than, पर ज़्यादा young नहीं है इसलिए आप यूज़ कर सकते हो. a bit younger या a little younger भी यूज़ कर सकते हो. that is also correct. a little younger than Preeti, but tall than her. but a bit या a little taller than her, a little taller than her. there is not much difference in their weights. Nidhi weighs only much dash than Preeti, right. Nidhi weighs only much का क्या करोगे? Nidhi weighs much, as much. वेट के बारे में जब आप बात करते हो तो व्हाट यू यूज? हेवियर. निधि वेज ओनली मच हेवियर देन प्रीति. एज मच हेवियर, सॉरी एज मच आएगा. एज मच हेवियर देन प्रीति. They live in the same colony and belong to very decent families. But Preeti's family has few members. तो few का हो जाएगा fewer members than Nidhi's. They are both intelligent. They got good marks in their last examination. But Preeti showed a dash result than Nidhi. Good का आ जाएगा better result than Nidhi, right. look at the use of the comparatives in these sentences. The faster you walk, the sooner you get tired. The more I sleep, the lazier I feel. The comparative, right. एक कंपैरेटिव इधर यूज़ हुआ, एक कंपैरेटिव इधर यूज़ हुआ, दोनों इसके बीच में. we use, underline this point, we use the dash the with two comparatives when one thing is directly related to the other. When one thing is directly related to the other, we use two comparatives to express it in this way. The slower you write, the fewer mistakes you make, right? Now ये कंपैरिजन जितना स्लोअर लिखोगे वैतना फ्यूअर मिस्टेक्स होगा. तो ये दोनों कमोडिटीज़ के बीच में, दोनों एक्शंस के बीच में कंपैरिजन हुआ. Exercise 5. Complete these sentences with the help of the words given in the brackets. Example: the longer I had to wait, I became angry. ये यूज़ करना है. The longer I had to wait, the more angry I became. ऐसे ही आपको आगे के सेंटेंसेस सॉल्व करने हैं. The higher you go, the cooler it is. It is too cool, right? It is cool दिया है. The cooler it is, राइट. टेम्परेचर के बारे में बात हो रही है. हायर मतलब आप माउंटेन रेंज पे जितना ऊपर जाओगे, जितनी हाइट बढ़ेगी उतना आपको ठंड ज़्यादा लगेगी. द फास्टर यू वॉक यू फील टायर्ड. द फास्टर यू वॉक द मोर यू फील टायर्ड. Then, the more I studied the subject, I became interested. The more I studied the subject, the more it interested me. ऐसा भी लिख सकते हो. या the more I studied the subject, the more I became interested भी आप लिख सकते हो. That is also correct. The higher you pay, you get good service. The higher you pay, the better you get the service, right? Then the higher the prices, low sales. The higher the prices, the lower are the sales, right? Okay, now then and as को आप कैसे यूज़ करते हैं, that we will study now. Look at these three gentlemen. He is Mr. Gupta. He is taking 7 lakhs in his bag. He is Mr. Rao and he is carrying 10 lakhs in his bag. And he is Mr. Khan. He has got 5 lakhs, right? Now there's a comparison between all these three. Let us study. Mr. Gupta, Mr. Rao and Mr. Khan are all rich people. Mr. Gupta has 7 lakh rupees. Mr. Rao has 10 lakh rupees. Mr. Khan has 5 lakh rupees. Mr. Gupta is richer than Mr. Khan. But Mr. Gupta is not as rich or not so rich as Mr. Rao. Mr. Gupta and Mr. Khan is mostly वो सेम है, पर इनके जितना नहीं है, राइट? तो आपको ये थर्ड पर्सन के साथ कंपैरिजन आपको दिखानी है. तो उसके लिए आप क्या यूज़ करोगे? नॉट एज रिच एज मिस्टर राव, राइट? और मिस्टर राव इज़ रिचर देन मिस्टर गुप्ता एंड मिस्टर खान भी, राइट? or other than anyone. The last two sentences mean the same. We can use either of them. Madhu is prettier than Shilpa. Shilpa is not as pretty as Madhu. दोनों का meaning क्या होता है? Same ही होता है. Write down these two sentences as an example so that you can understand the superlative degree कि दोनों का meaning same होता है. आप इसको ऐसे mention करो या ऐसे mention करो, right? Okay. Now further. Then as me, then as I am. We usually say he is richer than me and not than I, right? यहाँ पे हम लोग possessive में change करते हैं. He is as rich as me, not as I. He is richer than I am. He is as rich as I am, right? After, then, or as, it is more informal and also more usual in modern English to say me, us, him, her, them, then I, we, he, she, they, when there is no verb. No verb नहीं है तो उसमें हम लोग possessives change करते हैं, right? Second person के possessives हम लोग use करते हैं. Now exercise 6, rewrite these sentences using not as or not so as, right? Example, Sunil is quite rich, but Akshay is richer. Sunil is not as rich as Akshay, right? Okay, then Manan is quite bright, but Vaibhav is brighter. So Manan is not as bright as Vaibhav. I am narrating the answers here itself in the video. You write it on your own. I am not going to share the answer keys any further, right? Manan is not as bright as Vaibhav. Brighter nahi aega. Okay. It is quite cold today, but it was colder yesterday. It is not so cold as yesterday. It is not so cold today as yesterday. ऐसा भी आप बोल सकते हो. Petrol is costlier than diesel. Diesel is not so costly as petrol. English is more widely spoken than French. French is not so widely spoken as English. Right? Ishant could ball faster than Munaf. Munaf could not ball as faster as Ishant. Right? Then next exercise. Exercise 7. Complete these sentences using then or as. Mona speaks very good English. I wish I could speak English as well as Mona. As well as her. As good as Mona भी आप लिख सकते हो. As good as. I wish I could speak as well as Mona भी लिख सकते हो, या well निकाल के फिर आप good यूज़ करोगे. तो it is better to continue with well. I wish I could speak English as well as Mona. तो good नहीं यूज़ करना है. Okay. Jane Austen was a good novelist, but I think Dickens was a better novelist than Jane Austen, right? I felt happy to see her marks. Nobody felt happier. As happy I was, right? As happy or as happier, as happy as I was. Then our rivals played brilliantly. I wish our players had played as well. I wish our players had played as well as our rivals. Okay. Then you are lucky to have qualified. I wish I could be as lucky as you. Priya is very intelligent, but Deepika is more intelligent. But Deepika is more intelligent than Priya. Okay, Priya P will be capital, sorry. Okay, now further superlatives. Look at these two sentences. The sun is the hottest star. Anvita is the most intelligent girl in the class. Hottest, most intelligent are superlative forms. Generally हम लोग EST लगाते हैं superlative forms में, right? We use superlative forms when we have to compare more than two things. जब दो से ज़्यादा things को compare करते हैं तब हम लोग superlative degree use करते हैं. Formation of superlative forms. We normally form superlatives by adding est or by using most. Est is added to short words. Most is used with longer words. In case of some words, we have to remember the superlative forms. Tall, tallest, comfortable, most comfortable, bad, worst, dark, darkest, good, best, far, farthest. Right? Then underline this point. It is normal to use the before a superlative form. The hottest star, examples write down. The most intelligent girl. After superlatives, we use in with places and off with periods of time. अगर time period के बारे में आप बात करते हो, then you use off with the superlative degree. And if you are talking about places, we say in with the place. Sukhdev is the richest person in the town. Now here we are talking about a place, so we say in. Rajasthan is the biggest state in India. Today is the happiest day of my life. We are talking about time here, so it's off, right? Yesterday was the hottest day of the year. And then next point is sometimes we can use most to mean very, right? सबसे ज़्यादा अगर आपको डिस्क्राइब करना है, एक्सप्रेस करना है, तो यू से वेरी. द बुक यू गेव मी वॉज मोस्ट इंटरेस्टिंग. दैट इज़ वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग इट वॉज, राइट? Thank you for all this courtesy. It was most graceful of you. Write down both the examples so that you can understand the use of most here. In here, most graceful means very graceful. In such sentences, we don't use the before superlatives. Now from exercise 8 we will continue further. We stop here today.